every successful factory, quality begins with precision and control. For more than 20 years, Chang Ai leads the technology revolution in gas analysis solutions. Now, with HAK Automation's partnership, let's build the future together. Oxygen Analyzer. Thermal Conductivity Analyzer. Infrared Analyzer. Laser Gas Analyzer. Gas Chromatograph. CEMMS. Dew Point Series. Advanced Analytical Instruments. Monitoring Systems. High-tech solutions that ensure your safety and productivity. Now with our strong partnership, we bring you the latest gas analysis technologies and professional local support. Together, we boost your factory's precision and safety to the highest level. A partnership that guarantees your success and industry intelligence.